as soon as it starts getting cold or it starts raining, many parents worry on giving fruits to their children. Remember that fruit are the ideal foods you can offer to your children. It boosts immunity, it helps improve digestion, it helps stay active for a longer time because it keeps them energized, it improves their performance. I mean, the benefits are immense. Do not worry if it causes cough or cold because it's caused due to bacteria or virus on the food. If you maintain the fruits hygienically, offer it to them as fresh as possible, then there is no chance that any fruit can cause cough or cold. Ensure that you buy local, seasonal, fresh fruits only.